600 litre working capacity HT 600 full stainless steel ribbon mixer, complete with loading platform and railings, manual slide valve discharge, can go into a blender, into an elevator or a collection bin. New Crompton starter controls with isolator. Gas strut supported lid with safety switch. End scrapers at each end, complete with stainless steel ribbon. It was built by us originally in 2014, and as you can see, it's in pristine condition. 7.5 kilowatt motor, and is available as part of a blender filler system or just on its own.